Yeah, greetings. I hope everybody's fine. So I'm still exploring some sounds in Flex, but I thought about one thing. What if I make a reggae beat with Flex, Morphine, and some of the free plugins that I just discovered online? I hope it can be a very good combination. Resources which are just easy to get. So what it means is that you can make music with resources which are easily found without having a lot of thoughts on how you can find money to start up with if you don't have, especially if you're a beginner. So I think if you're a beginner, this video will help you, will encourage you. The most important thing is to have the starter pack, which is FL Studio. If you have FL Studio, you will begin to make music. So let's check it without wasting time. By the way, if you're new to the channel, I'm willywheelz, record producer and musician. Stick around and subscribe. Let's see what we can do. So I was googling, I was able to find this plugin. I found this plugin, DSK saxophone. I was googling free plugins. So I found this DSK saxophone. And when I installed, I noticed that it has very good sound, you know what I mean? So I was like, no, this is a very good saxophone. And another one is the DSK Grand, it's the same. So it's a very good piano. In case you're just starting, this is free. You can go with DSK using this name and then you get this plugin right away. And then obviously Morphine is there. It's a FL Studio plugin. You just have to use it as long as you have your FL Studio. The good thing is, the moment you purchase this FL Studio, that means you will have access to Flex and Morphine. Okay, I'm not going to talk about that much, but my focus is you can use the available free resources to make music. So let's get it. You know what I mean? So I created a template already just to speed up the workflow, saying my piano is this one. This is the first piano. I'm going to double it with this one. So that we have some kind of thick sound of pianos. Okay. Okay. Okay, so copy this and paste here. So the DSK, so here, the metal guitar from Flex. So let's see, and then you can get this sound like this. So okay, so this is the recorder. To those who know me, I like to use Ocarina most of the time, but now I'm using this one. Let's see. So you can see this problem here, but there's a way to fix it. You just do the same way. Like this. Then you come like this. Yeah, so got it. In morphing of organ. Yeah, simple. Okay, let's add the drums. Yeah, so these packs, they come with Flex direct. Once you install Flex, you get these packs. You know what I mean? They're not for subscription, especially this one. This is not from subscription, direct. Yeah, simple bass line. So I'm going to combine this one with this dub one. So yeah, so for the sake of recording, let me do like this, leave it this way, because I'll change them. Okay, so yeah, let me add this one from the Flex packs, from the Flex extension packs, the subscription one. But I got this image line sent me this pack, so I'm still exploring a lot of those sounds till now. so let me do the clone this one and try to find some other sounds. So let's check the harps chord. Okay, so alright, so let me charge the battery, but I'll arrange the beat and then also give it the life a bit, and I'll show you what I've done. Thank you so much. Alright, welcome back to this episode, actually the final episode of this tutorial and this video in particular. So basically this is what I've done. The only instrument that I played without anybody watching is this guitar. So it is here, according to this arrangement, I dropped it here. So that's how it is. So the other things that I added is just the drum rolls. So these are my samples. The other drum roll is this. Yeah. So the same repeats here. This repeats here, and this one repeats here. That's all. And this is the arrangement. So I routed everything on the mixer and mixed everything partially, actually. Most of the time when it comes to situations like this, it's only the guitars that I touch them the most, because they need some manipulation for them to sound the reggae way. You get what I mean? So this is the guitar. If you listen, so I added this EQ. This is how I EQ'd. If I mute it, it sounds like this. So it was there already, but I just gave it some depth a bit. So, and then this one again. So you can hear now that they blend together properly, like this. And the mute. So this mute here, I added the Jura Air plugin. This one was a free plugin. I don't know if many got it. I don't know if I dropped on my WhatsApp channel, because most of these free plugins, I like to drop them on my WhatsApp channel. If you want to join, I'll leave the link. I drop a lot of good plugins there. So I'll leave the link in the description. You can just click there and join. I update anything that I found is worth for everybody to be shared to. I share there. Okay. So again, not only that, I also added Fuse Wah. This is a plugin also by Air, the same way. These only two plugins, and maybe on the master I added the God Particle, because I like it this way, just to enhance the sounds. But the rest, the mixing has been done through FL Stock plugins. EQing, and including the Cumbista, the Combista, which is the FL Crowd plugin. Just listen together what I've done. So. that is it. So the aim was, these are the resources that you get once you get your FL Studio. You have some of these plugins that you can use and begin to make music before worrying about a plugin that cost $300, $400. Actually, they like to say $3.99 or $4.99, something like that. The business way of doing things. So before you start worrying about that, you can still look for resources. You can still look for free plugins. You know what I mean? You can think about something that is already available and begin to make music. That's the goal. And that is why I made this video. And I'll be working on a new sample pack just to share to everybody again, to update the ones which you already have. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If so, leave a like, hype the video, and share so that others can watch. If you want production services, I'll leave my email. You can contact me. Blessed love. Let's continue making good music. That's the goal. Yeah, to those who want mixing tutorials, you can consult me directly. You can also join my YouTube membership, so you can get some exclusive content there. I'll be dropping it anytime a new video for members only. So stay tuned. Boom.